Welcome to a journey through the enchanting world of Courtyard Houses. In this 10-minute exploration, we will delve into the history, architecture, and unique charm of these timeless homes. Courtyard houses have been a staple of architecture for centuries, spanning cultures and continents. They are a harmonious blend of design and functionality, offering a serene and private oasis within the bustling world outside. The concept of courtyard houses dates back thousands of years, with roots in ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans. These early designs emphasized communal living, security, and climate control. Today, courtyard houses come in a myriad of styles, from traditional to modern. They can be found in diverse locations, from Mediterranean villas to Asian Zen gardens. One defining feature of courtyard houses is, of course, the central courtyard. This open space is the heart of the home, where light, air, and nature intertwine. It serves as a natural source of ventilation and illumination. Step inside, and you'll discover how these homes create a seamless connection between indoors and outdoors. The courtyard becomes an extension of the living spaces, blurring the boundaries between nature and architecture. Courtyard houses are not only aesthetically pleasing, they also offer practical benefits. They provide a sense of privacy, security, and tranquility, making them an ideal escape from the fast-paced world. In an era of increasing environmental awareness, courtyard houses are also celebrated for their sustainability. The clever use of natural elements reduces the need for excessive energy consumption. Modern architects continue to draw inspiration from the courtyard house concept. You'll find stunning contemporary examples that push the boundaries of design and innovation. One of the remarkable aspects of courtyard houses is their versatility. They can be adapted to fit the needs and preferences of different families and lifestyles. From the tranquil courtyards of Marrakesh to the sleek designs of Los Angeles, courtyard houses have a global appeal that transcends cultures and time. In conclusion, courtyard houses are a testament to the enduring relationship between architecture and nature. They continue to captivate and inspire us with their timeless beauty and functional elegance. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of courtyard houses. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more architectural wonders. Until next time, take care, and keep exploring the world of design. Feel free to modify this script and voiceover narration to align with your specific vision and style for the YouTube video. You may also add visuals, music, and additional details as needed to create a compelling and engaging video on courtyard houses.